Welcome to another informative video. If you've ever wondered how to become an aircraft maintenance technician, you're in the right place. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we'll be exploring the path towards this lucrative and essential career. We'll discuss everything from Federal Aviation Administration or FAA certification requirements to the skills you need to stand out in the field. So buckle up and let's dive into the essential steps to earn those vital credentials. Are you interested in this role that requires a good deal more technical training than most other maintenance positions? This is because the FAA insists that all aircraft maintenance must be carried out by certified personnel. Some people manage to get certified with just a high school diploma. How? By gaining enough on-the-job training to meet the FAA's requirements. This means you'll need either 18 months of practical work experience with airframes or power plants, or 30 months experience working with both at the same time. And here's a tip. If you've served in the military and worked on engines or aircraft or both, your experience there might just qualify you for this certification. However, most people who become aircraft maintenance technicians do so through formal education at an FAA-approved school. Here, you can receive the technical training needed to perform the various maintenance tasks required of the role. And once you've finished your coursework, you'll be rewarded with a certificate of completion. But hold on, your journey doesn't end there. Once you have either enough work experience or a certificate of completion, you'll then need to pass 3 certification exams. These include a written exam, an oral exam, and a practical exam. And remember, you must complete these within a 2-year period. So, you've got your work experience or certificate and you've passed your exams, what's next? Well, you'll qualify for one of 3 types of aircraft technician certifications. These are Airframe Mechanics, or A, which qualifies you for body work, Power Plant Mechanics, or P, which qualifies you for engine work, and Airframe and Power Plant, or A and P, which qualifies you for both. Often, employers prefer those with an A and P rating, so it might be worth considering this route. But wait, there's more. In addition to FAA certification, there are a few other skills that will make you more hireable. These include attention to detail, manual dexterity and physical strength, and strong observational skills. The better your skills in these areas, the more likely you are to land that dream job. So there you have it. The path to becoming an aircraft maintenance technician may seem long, but with the right training and determination, you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in this field. And that wraps up our video. We've covered the steps to becoming an aircraft maintenance technician, from gaining the necessary work experience or education, to passing the FAA certification exams, and finally, to honing your skills to stand out in the field. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. To learn more about how Upkeep can help you in your maintenance and operations journey, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.